Where would we look?
Sorry,
Ano po? Hello. Oh wow, 5 people. Hello po today, guys. We were going to sell
the Meow Pouch.
the Meow Pouch. 10 pesos lang po ito for sale just today.
Pero pag binili niyo na po ngayon, it will only be 8 pesos.
Wow.
Sagot na
It's
ni
on
Haya
sale
yung
for
2
10
pesos.
pesos. Now it's 8 pesos.
Sagot na ni Haya, sagot mo na yung 2 pesos.
Oh, sige. My treat to you guys. Oh, check out Yellow Basket. Yellow Basket. Oh, ganda to, guys. It's very soft. It's washable. May zipper din. 1 zipper lang. It can hold a lot of things. Guess how many pencils this can hold?
452.
Wow, ang galing mo naman! 452, tama! This is not just any regular cat pencil case. It has a secret. It can hold more than you think. Okay.
Guess what cat this is?
I'm guessing it's a wiener dog cross.
Wiener dog?
Cross. Yeah. Cross, Persian.
I think it's Persian.
No, I think it's tabby. It's a tabby cat.
Such a cutie.
Yeah, you said 452, so I give a...
Hi guys.
Oh my god, I'm blind. Kamusta? Yan, okay. Now we can read your comments. Where are the comments? Hi po, Jenny Mendoza.
Jenny Mendoza, hello po.
Hi,
So,
Marlo.
right
Okay.
now, we are having the Kapatid Connect live takeover.
Woo! What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good afternoon. Okay.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And syempre, yung mga ganap sa stream na mangyayari ngayon, kwentuhan, shout out, answer questions, shout out to the viewers.
Yes.
Yun.
Shout out, guys. We encourage you to ask us any questions, whether it's school related.
Syempre, we're gonna talk about Bad Genius today.
Yes, because we are taking over. This is our classroom for today, guys, and you guys are our students.
Classmates.
Classmates. Sorry. Okay. What do we call this? Kapatid Connect live takeover. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Gab.
How can I check
Please.
out Hi Gab? Zeris, hello
My
Zeris.
purple basket. Blue. Cash out po, please. What does that mean?
Viva One, hello Viva One.
Hi, Noreen. Hi, Viva One. Hi, Eska. Angela Hart. Hi, Angela Hart. Hey, homies. Do you guys have questions? Okay, this one. Oh, this is already so hard.
One
Okay, what
plus
is
one.
1 plus 1? Ready? Da-na-na-na, da-na-na, da-na-na-na-na,
Two?
na-na-na-na. Okay, guys. Is it right or is it wrong? Ready? Let's see. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na. Drum roll. Mali.
What is it?
Tatlo. Ay, wait, no, apat.
Bakit apat?
Kasi 1 plus 1. Diba? So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry, wala po kasi.
Sorry.
Anyways, we're gonna have a classroom connect.
Okay.
So,
What are your mechanics?
mechanics is answer questions based on different school subjects.
Okay, so we are going to take questions from this very magical meow pouch.
Mm-hmm.
And we will answer them. And then if you guys have questions, then don't forget, you can feel free to ask us. Okay. Like, how many colors in the South African flag?
6.
Wow, galing. Okay. First question.
Okay.
Oh.
May, ano ba? Price kung alam. Meron. Ang price nyo is
2 pesos.
isang video greeting
Ah, yeah.
from Hyacinth Gagliardo.
Kulang?
Okay.
Okay.
Si-
Wait, we should give them a moment to answer this.
Yeah, okay.
First question. Science.
Patunayan na totoo ang friction. I-rub ang at painitin ang kamay ng isa't isa.
Oh, you guys muna.
Go guys, try nyo.
Ready?
Kaya yan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah.
Ang galing! Nagawa nila! Galing nyo ah.
Okay, okay.
So,
Our
totoo
turn.
ang science friction.
Did you feel something?
Diba? Galing nila, na-try
Okay.
nila. Okay, go.
Do it. Okay, like this. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wait lang. Oh.
Ang init!
Diba? Do you feel like there's like a tingling sensation?
Mhm.
No, actually.
Mainit na, mainit na. Oh, di ba? Sabi
Oh, mainit na.
ni ano, di ba? Kayo rin. Earth Lily. Wow.
Earth Lily. Oh, that's so cute.
Giselle. Shout out from Capiz Rojas.
Hi, Giselle.
Hi, Giselle.
Kulang
Okay.
pa, kulang pa lang.
Second
Okay,
question.
okay. Complete the sentence while saying it in front of me. You are the blink of my life.
Go.
Me?
You read the question.
Okay. Kayo muna. Kayo muna. Kayo muna. Okay, what's your answer? Ready?
Meron ako. You
just
are-
Okay. Didn't answer
You
yet.
are the high Gab to my life. Oh, di ba? Hi, Gab. Kasi hi, Gab.
I'm the high.
You're the high Gab.
Oh, and you are?
The Gab.
And you are the gum
Oh,
to
yeah.
my life. Oh.
You are the Gab to my high. My life. Yun yun.
You are the gum
To my high.
to my high.
Oh. Kung
Of
gusto
my
mong
life.
gamitin yung sinabi ko. Oh.
Very smart. Very smart. Galing mo dyan.
Wala kaming partner, wala daw silang partner. So, kausapin nyo na lang yung mirror. Diba?
Yes, self-love.
Oo. Importante yun, self-love, diba?
Yeah. Correct. Okay.
Okay. AP. Ikwento ang iyong origins at ang pinakagusto mo bagay about being a Filipino. So, origins. Taga dad side we're from Pampanga, San Fernando, San Agustin, ng Lagman. And then my dad's mom is from Davao, from Bansalan. So may Pampangueño blood, may
Wow.
Davaoeño blood. And then my mom's mom is from Bicol. So meron din pagka Bicolano blood.
Does she know to make Bicol Express?
Yes, she does. And Laing. It's so good.
I
My
love
favorite Laing.
Favorite ko yan.
Pinaka gusto ko being a Filipino is we're super family oriented and God-fearing. That's what I love about our culture. And we have the best food also.
Yes.
So,
True.
and I love seeing Filipinos out of the country because we feel so connected. Pag nakakakita ka ng mga Pinoy sa out of the country, pag naririnig mong Tagalog, or pag naririnig ko sila nagkakapampangan, I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
man,
Yeah.
Pinoy. Pinoy ako. Sabi nila, may anting-anting ako,
Oh.
pero di nila alam. Ang Diyos ang, di ba? Ikaw, what do you like? What's your origins and what do you like being about?
No, I
being
agree with you
Filipino?
on that kasi, okay, so I grew up in the US. I'm first generation of immigrant parents. But my dad is from Pampanga. But yung lolo ko, my dad's dad is from
Taga-Angeles,
Iloilo.
di ba? Oh,
Angeles, yes.
Oh, Iloilo, we're going
Yeah!
to
We're going
Iloilo this Sunday.
Sunday.
So I'll be there tomorrow.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sunday, we'll see you guys. So yeah, and then my mom's side is from Bacolod. So yeah, I grew up in the US.
I love Bacolod chicken and asal, sorry. I just want to shout it out. It's my favorite. It's my favorite food.
Wait. Nakalimutan ko na. Wait lang.
Your mom is from Bacolod.
Wait, I was gonna connect to yours kasi, so I grew up in the US, right? But the one thing that I love about our people is that wherever we go, if we find someone who's Filipino, then we're like instantly family, and everyone helps each other, and it's such a strong community. And it was also such a big thing for me kasi I went to a school in like middle school and high school. I was only one of the few Filipino representations.
Wow.
So I felt like it was a big responsibility of mine to represent our people. I introduced my culture to my friends. I shared with them our food because our food is so good then. So yeah, I held that responsibility. We would have like assembly sometimes for like Asian Pacific Islander month. And then I once sang a song. I sang Akin Ka Na Lang. No, I did not.
Akin ka na lang.
Yeah, pero yung American accent ko was a lot worse back then. But yeah.
Marunong ba ako magkapampangan? Siyempre, tiganaw ka rin ka.
Wow.
Biyasa ko ba't ditak mo?
Wow.
Malago.
Wow. That's all I
Hindi mo
know.
alam yung Malago.
Hindi ko alam. That's all I know.
Ask them, what's Malago?
Guys, what's Malago? Sample?
Kantahin Filipino. Kantahin sa isa't isa ang pinaka-romantic na Filipinong song na alam mo. Okay. Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Madalas ako'y nagbibiro, pero sa'yo ako'y seryoso.
Go!
Masyado nang mataas yun.
Tatayaan nawa'y manalo tayo. King Prinsesa Merlito. Okay, next.
Okay, that was good.
Kaya na,
Stream,
your turn.
keep streaming Abutin on Spotify. More than 1 million views na.
Aww.
More than 1 million streams pala. Congrats,
Yes.
congrats.
Thank you. Next is you. Your turn.
Really?
What?
Ikaw ba?
Ano? Did you?
I don't know. Bilangin ang linya sa palad at mga
You're not
daliri
asking
ng
us
isa't
any
isa.
question.
Okay.
You guys aren't asking us questions. They're leaving us in our own world.
Okay. Last question. Bilangin ang linya sa palad.
Ay, yan. Ito. Gab, ano mas masakit? Sampal ni Grace o Ellie?
Sampal ni Grace. Kasi tumunog yung tenga ko doon. Sa sobrang lakas.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
No, look, okay.
Iba kasi yung pagmamahal ni Elise kay Zepi.
Tama.
So si Grace parang, bahala ka dyan.
I would also like, I'm always afraid to hit him, but you know, like for the plot, and Direk said then I really have to show that I hit him hard.
Shout out Takbo Girls.
Shout out Takbo Girl.
To all the High Gab homies there. Happy 2nd year anniversary. Thank you
Yes.
sa
Love you.
photo booth. Love you guys.
Ay. Oh, marunong ka mag-Ilonggo?
Ilonggo hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi ako marunong mag-Ilonggo.
Okay.
May mag-Ilonggo ka raw, ikaw. Ikaw yun, hindi ako. Ikaw talaga makulod eh.
I went over this kanina. Nakalimutan ko na. I only know words like, nakaon ka na ga.
It's
Nakaon
like,
ka na.
what I love about mga Ilonggo na sweet yung ano raw nila eh. Yun daw yung sweet
super
yung
malamig.
pagka annunciation niya.
Oo.
Kumain ka na. Ganun ba yun?
Kaon ka na.
Kaon ka na.
Kaon ka na ga.
Oo.
Ga. Ay. Hello. The light said.
Okay, tapos na tayo sa questions. And then, yan guys, comment down below what's your favorite episodes of Bad Genius so far. We're already in 8 episodes.
Yes.
We only have 5 episodes to go. Wow.
Favorite
Ang bilis lang
episode
talaga.
and favorite scene.
Yeah. Ikaw, anong favorite episode mo so far?
So far, I would say episode 8.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi,
Main episode.
yeah, the episode that came out last night.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like the peak of things so far. One of the highest.
The
peaks.
climax.
And it's nice kasi people are appreciating our scene together when we're in the warehouse.
Yeah. True.
Galing mo dun.
Mas
You
magaling
went
naman,
like,
syempre.
and then you went. And then,
Galing ka rin dun kasi yung sigaw mo. Now! Ano ba yung boss? Sorry guys, medyo masama pakiramdam ko. Now! Yung ganun, di ba?
Yun, I did it like a, no!
Pero yun,
episode
episode 8, very intense and
Sabi ni Angela Wayne din.
kudos rin kila Direk, napakagaling nila. You know, sa prod, and nakakamiss kasi tapos na kami mag-taping. Pero episode 8, one of my favorites rin kasi dun sa warehouse, sobrang init, di ba? Walang, mafe-feel mo talaga yung emosyon, tapos pabalik-balik pa yung scene kasi syempre.
True. And then we had to keep spraying ourselves with water.
Kasi
So we were
always
so
dapat
drenched.
kami.
They would spray it here sa kilikili ko,
Para
dito.
mukhang sobrang pawis. Diba? Then we gotta restart the scene. Diba? Kasi,
Yeah,
kasi remember, it's not only one sequence. Remember, it's different sequences.
Yeah.
And then we gotta go back.
Yeah, and we have to go back. And
Mga apat sequence yun.
oh, everyone also loved episode 8. Sabi ni, hi Gab, ang intense.
Oh yeah, episode 8 sila lahat.
Rochelle, favorite ko lahat, walang tapon.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you, Rochelle. Stress ang inabot sa episode 8. Oh, nakaka-stress talaga yung episode 8. And sobrang galing rin nila direct mag-edit yung mga shots. So, feel na feel mo.
Yes.
So, yun. Ano pa ba?
Highest buko ni Haya.
Gaano kainit? Ilan degrees? 200 degrees.
Wow.
Diba? From yesterday. So, yun. Ano pa?
Oh, you guys are so sweet. They're like, you can smell another best actor, actress.
Oh, hopefully. If Chop Bass was Gab's inspiration for Pat's character, who was yours?
Ooh, I remember they were telling me na one of the
Ella Marie,
characters-
shout out.
one of the characters I can look into is Blair. Yung girlfriend. Not girl.
Blair.
Did they even date? I can't remember. Blair Waldorf.
Oh yeah, I don't
And
watch
then-
that. I didn't watch. I only watched the first few episodes.
And then-
I think Blair Blair
Mga
is.
first few episodes lang.
Sino kasi si Blair? Yung yung asawa ni.
Sawa? She's the best friend of what's her name? The blonde.
Oh, I thought she was the blonde.
No. Serena. Yeah.
Si
Blair is
Deadpool,
the
asawa
brunette.
ni Deadpool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serena. That's Serena. Blair's the best friend, the brunette.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, and then I just like thought about my own take.
Noreen, hello Noreen. How are you?
Shout out from Pampanga. Hi Pampanga.
Pawis pala yun. Akala namin nilublob kayo sa tubig.
They did.
Actually, ano lang yung technique. Spray. The technique.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah. Ano yung bagong challenge sa inyo sa Bad Genius compared sa previous shows na ginawa nyo? So we did Sem Break. And then we did Safe Skies. Sitaw. And then Bad Genius. For me, first time kong mag-portray ng role na parang hindi mabait or parang kailangan ko maging medyo kontrabida na kupal na kailangan mang-bully kay Jai, kay Bang. So, that's the challenge na kailangan kong pagdating ko sa set, hindi ako mabait. Alam mo yun, parang...
Yeah, I remember that. You were like, it's so different from Sevi.
Kailangan kong maging, yung kayabangan, mayabang. So...
You did good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You really played. Yeah, true. For me,
abangan niyo po si Haya sa bago namin.
Yeah. Hello, wait lang, no.
Way different than Elise and Grace.
I'm excited to see it. Hopefully it's
Yeah, you did.
You
did good.
naman.
Derek was really proud of you last taping day, diba?
Yeah, with Derek easy. Okay. Wait. Quick answer. My biggest challenge was playing the sensitive scenes. Okay. From Mark Lakad, nung students ba kayo, nag-cheat na ba kayo? I remember...
Oh yeah, we already answered this.
Wait, what did you say?
I said, when I was in...
Sa press con.
When I was in elementary, I didn't really care about school. So, I was just like, lagi nagpupuyat. And then, I was like not a good student. Pero yung mga kapatid ko, top 1, top 2. Kasi lagi sila nag-common, tutor. Tapos ako nasa ibang lugar ako, Pampanga ako nun eh. Just playing with my cousins all the time. So I was like, kumokopya ako nung elementary. But nabaliktad yon nung middle school and college. I was the smart one naman. Kasi for me, in the US, was easier. Parang mas, sila, lenient. And then yun, sila na yung nangongopya sa akin sa math nun. Kasi parang napag-aralan ko na yung, 7th grade, parang alam ko na yung... That's why I like math, because it was easier for me.
Yeah.
Pero pagdating ng calculus, hindi ko na alam yun, parang hirap nito
Yeah.
Yun yung mga mahirap na questions. Pero yung mga basic math, I like the basic math.
For me, there were a few times where I've struggled with something. Either kasi I didn't like the way that the teacher was teaching. It didn't work for me. It just did not. And I would have to ask extra help from my friends. And sometimes I wouldn't have enough time, so we would help each other out. But I didn't do it all the time, of course. I'm not encouraging. Don't. It's hard. Well, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi, ngayon parang sa kanila meron na silang ChatGPT, diba? It's a different era na for this generation. They have ChatGPT.
Yeah, that's really scary.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Who's more similar to you in real life, Sevi or Pat?
Definitely Sevi. Yeah. Sevi loves basketball. He's really close with his siblings, close with his mom. And dad later, the part naging close to daddy niya. So, we kinda have the same, Di lang ako engineer.
Yeah.
So, ikaw?
For me, half-half. Like, I can understand Grace's feelings of, like, how she wants to be an artist, but her parents don't support her. Because back then, my parents didn't, they just wanted me to do school, of course. Until I really proved to them that I could do this. And then also like her feelings of, cause growing up, at least I've gotten better at it. I've learned my boundaries and my self-worth and stuff like that. But before I used to be a bit people-pleasing. But of course I don't take it to the extent of Grace, where she would do all of the crazy stuff that you see sa show. I'm not gonna spoil.
Likod ni Gab, tama ka sa comment mo.
Oh no. What did he say?
Wala.
What did he say?
May sinabi kasi dito si ano. You know Kim, right? From usually the most energetic. Yeah.
Why?
Wala lang.
It's like you guys.
Shout out po kay Kim Verdun.
Happy 4 months away, girls. Nang hi, Gab. Wait, okay. Wait lang.
Do you believe that is still wrong if you're doing it for the right reason?
To be honest, I mean, in terms of the show, with how can I go with the system being not very beneficial to all people and all people of different classes, I would say it's understandable, especially for Lynn and Bank. It's understandable, you know. But of course, it's illegal.
Yeah, it's still wrong, diba? So, syempre, kung gumagawa ka ng mali, expect mo yung mga consequences, diba?
And it's scary if you get caught, you know. I mean, Bank couldn't be a doctor.
Mabel Saison, maybe. Mabel Saison. Hi, Gab. Tips to be more confident in speaking in front of people.
Huh? Sorry?
Tips to be more confident in speaking in front of people.
Oh. Did you used to be shy?
I used to be shy when I was in the US. Like, kunwari, magpe-present ng ano. Because when I moved, I was already 13 or 12. Then I have to switch to other language, which is English.
Yeah.
So alam mo yung fresh off the boat na
Yeah.
nag-i-English na hindi ko pa alam yung past present tense. So I was really shy back then. And then, actually, alam mo, just be confident, kumpiyansa. If may masasabi man sa'yo yung mga tao, it's okay. You know, just, it's gonna, the more you practice, the more you learn. And, you know, lagi naman syempre may side comments yung mga kuwari, nanonood sa'yo or yung mga tao na pag-speak in front of you.
Yeah.
Pero, just so you know, if you did your best, you did your best, you
Yeah.
know. Just be proud of yourself. Keep trying. And, yeah. Diba?
Yes. Correct.
Because you only live once. Short lang yung, you know, you only live once. Maiksi lang yung buhay natin. And nasa huli yung pagsisisi kung hindi mo ginawa, diba?
Yeah. Good answer. Okay, guys. Last question.
Ano yung last question?
We'll choose the last one.
Choose the last question.
Someone asked a reverse question from the recreate.
Which one? Since...
Yung
Ano yun?
were you attracted to me when we first met?
Oh, the same.
Oh, I'm giving you guys the tea. You're welcome. Curious din ako.
Same answer din. No, because you parang I wasn't really thinking about anything. I was just focused on the look test and all. Kasi ang haba ng lines eh, so I wasn't, pero sa'yo
We're
ko,
both on the same page.
sa'yo ko pinaka, na nagalingan sa lahat ng nag-audition. Yeah. But you look so young kasi that time.
I know, I mean, I was
Parang I was
18. I was 18, no?
I was like, yeah.
So it was also weird.
But ikaw yung pinakamagaling.
Thank you.
And last but not the least, since hindi romance ang main team ng Bad Genius, paano nyo mini-make sure maging effective ang kilig moments ni Grace and Patrick? Mga sweet moments din ba kayo off-cam as Hayagab? yun nga yung challenge. Siyempre dito sa Bad Genius, ibang team siya.
Iba yung atake natin.
Oo, so parang, which is, it's nice, you know, it's good to be different. Diba, parang hindi pa kilig-kilig. Pero syempre meron pa rin si Pat and Grace na gano'n, diba?
Yeah.
And
Their
all
relationship's complicated kasi.
Totoo.
But they really do love each other.
Yeah. Pero off-cam, yeah, I mean, we've been working na for, this is gonna be 2 years na, diba? So, we really, ano naman, komportable sa isa't isa. And then if someone is struggling, of course, you know, gotta be there for each other. Like, kasi mahirap rin tong Bad Genius nung nag-shoot kami. So, you know, gotta be always there for each other.
Yes. I agree. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being with us on our live. And once again, I am Hyacinth Cariado.
Oh, tapos na?
Oh, you want more time? We'll go live later. You guys join us.
Okay, hard. Okay, yan guys. Well, the main reason why we guys are here, we want to promote Bad Genius only on Viva One po yan. But, gonna be soon on TV5. This October na po. So, mapapanood niyo na po yan sa TV5. And then, episode 1 to 8 is already out on Viva One. Every Friday po new episodes. Directed by Derek Cabrido. Sorry.
Yes, award-winning.
And then starring
Hyacinth Cariado.
Jairo Sakina.
Atasha
Mulak.
Mulak.
And
Yes.
many more. And yun. And we're gonna be in Iloilo this September 7
Yes.
at Robinson's Pavilion Mall. 4 p.m. po yan kung sino mga taga Iloilo dyan.
Yes.
And
Thank
what
you,
else?
guys.
And OJT.
OJT Love Hours.
Love Hours. Very soon po yan. And yun lang po. God bless.
God bless. And this has been Kapatid Connect Live Takeover with us. Hi, Gab. Bye, guys.
And mamaya din po, Frontline News.
Oh, yes. See you guys later. More lives to go. How long is the one? Get it. Yung phone. Oh, he doesn't want to go yet.